Woman, a poem written by Prisca Onyinye Nwokorie. Woman, a priceless beauty, a being full of love and desire. Her worth surpasses all wealth and gold. She is the backbone, strong and bold. She's a mother, nurturing and kind. A friend, always on your mind. A sister, a confidant and a guide. In her embrace, all worries subside. She's a daughter, a source of pride. With her ambition, she will reach great heights. She's a wife, a partner in all things. In her arms, love forever sings. Her beauty lies in her countless roles. From a teacher to a healer of souls. Her heart full of love and compassion. Her spirit unbreakable, always in fashion. She's a warrior, fighting every day against injustice in her own way. She's a creator, bathing life with love, a blessing from God, the Creator. Her intelligence is unmatched. With her wisdom, the world is hushed. She is a dreamer with a vision so bright. Her determination, a guiding light. She's a believer in her own words. She knows her value from her very birth. She is a masterpiece, a work of God's art from Genesis.